In this video, we are going to see how we can apply a simple sum formula to our data. So here in our mark sheet, we have already generated the data names and the subjects. Let me just make it English so that it occupies the less space. And again, computer, I just remove this extra things so that I can, reduce the size of the column a little bit. Now we have marks obtained. And we want to sum all of these figures. And what we want to do is we want to sum all of these figures. So to apply the formula, every formula starts with an equals to sign. And after that, we write sum and press tab. Now, what is the benefit of pressing tab every single time whenever you see the formula suggestion? One is it will auto-complete the formula. Let's say the formula is bigger sum product. You don't need to write that together. You just write sum, choose the formula, and then automatically follow by just pressing tab. But we are using sum here. The next benefit is it will automatically open the bracket and show you the tooltip right here. So here it says you select number 1, comma, number 2, comma, number 3. We can do that, but it will again take a lot of time to write that manually or select that manually like this. Press comma, it suggests to select number 2. I don't want that. What I need to do is select all of these range here. So it shows that you want to sum cell B2 up till cell F2. Even if you don't close the bracket, Excel will automatically do this for you. And now, since we have only applied formula in one cell, if you want to apply it in all the cells, just double click to send it down and it calculates it for all cells here. Now, if you want to do this with a short key, there is a very important short key, that is alternate equal sign. Just hold the alternate button and press equal sign, and it will automatically show you the sum formula along with the selection of range. But normally this short key works on the vertical sequence, but we don't have anything vertical available. So that's why it automatically smartly picked the horizontal data instead. But whenever the short key has the vertical selection preference, it always go for that. So let's say I want to make the total here, alternate equal sign, hit enter, and we are able to see the totals here. So that's how we can apply sum in all of the data. Just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.